Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search and now click install. Now click open. And here you can customize your browser settings, or you can just scroll down and click start browsing. And now you can use your Firefox browser just like any other internet browser. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.